as you know it to be a traditional YouTuber that brings you life, education, culture, things you don't know about Africa, things you don't know about Ghana. We bring it to you. I plead you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and dial on the notification button so you have every notification on your screen when we drop a video. On today's update is the first festival of the Ashanti Kingdom, the king of the Ashanti, Otumfuo. As you can see on your screen, the fair gentleman Republic of Ghana, the president Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo is seated on the program. You know, it is left only about 4 days for the president to swear in. It was last year, 7th December, when we voted for the presidential election and he won the president of Ghana. And it is about 4 days left for him to swear in. But he left every decision behind to come here and be part of this festival. Why? Because it is a festival that really means a lot. It is a festival that brings all the chiefs together to plans for the year decisions, the plans and how to rule the Ashanti Kingdom with his chief. As you can see on your screen, this is the gentle and powerful king, the Ashanti Kingdom. Otumfuo Ose Tutu the second. He is coming. He is coming and he's dancing. Very beautiful one. As you can see, as I always see, when you see the king coming, you see money. Because whatever you see on him is money. Purely gold. Purely gold. See on his arms, it is money. What you see in him on his head, what they've crowned on his head, it is money. Whatever you see on this king is money. This is a rich kingdom. Rich and a beautiful kingdom. And as you can see here also on your screen, these are the sub chiefs who are also coming. The chiefs and their elders. See, as follows are the elders. This is the chief. Anytime you see putting this umbrella on anyone, it means the person is a chief. And traditionally it's believed that being the chief, you are not supposed to walk just like that on the sun. You need to have this umbrella on you to give you shade. So all these people under the umbrella, they are the chiefs of various cities, the various towns in the Ashanti Kingdom. And as you can still see, the king is still coming. They are welcoming the king. People are dancing, people are jubilating. Very beautiful. This is one of the powerful tradition, one of the powerful king, I can say. It is in the whole world. Yes. Yes. Beautiful one. Beautiful one. Let's take a little look at how they are dancing and how they are praising and how they are welcoming the king. Let's see how they do it. So I know you enjoy it. And like I said earlier, please subscribe to this channel, NYANSAPO TV, and leave your opinion message. Also, dial the notification button, you have notifications. These are chiefs who have been seated waiting for the king himself to come. And as you can see, this is the king, the chief of Mampong, and his wife. And okay. Okay, okay. So as you can see on your screen, this is a chief. He is a traditional chief of Mampong Council with the Queen Mother seated waiting for the king, the Otumfuo 82. This is another chief seated, which is a Joso traditional council. He is the chief there, seated waiting for the king of the Ashanti Empire, Otumfuo Asante the second. Yes. Yes. You know, with this tradition, all the chiefs in the Ashanti Empire, in the Ashanti Kingdom, have to be here. And one thing is that, and it is not all the chiefs that can be closed. As you can see, these are the chiefs. These are three powerful chiefs seated waiting for the king of the Ashanti, Otumfuo, to come. And as you can see how they are wearing their beautiful kente clothes. And this kente clothes happens to be one of the expensive clothes here in the Ashanti. It is traditionally made with gold fabric, as you can see.
Ahimfuo yewura konfuanochi eka omu nipa num om ka ho bomu ma Asanteman gina ya o ka Asanteman bomu na Joso man hene so ka ho bi ai na afra na okese na ono so ka ho bi ai na nabuachi ansa debra asokoro mamponyin ote ya na nabuachi yam ai enkwanta kase ehine ono so ha yemi ya mikro mu hine ono so ha ene himfo mu ka omu ai samre wo mu de omani mo nyam beta adwuma di ya chiam na yefefefe na akoso kama nga Asanteman etumpon na Asanteman be frantuma na aye krabehwe na no mo hwe se ne na akwaside o masi afo mafade na efe na esombo aye na nanom amanhene ne amanhema anom o mu nyina de omani mo nyama beta adwuma di ya chi ai o mu beboa ma Asanteman ya mamre ne amane akoso se de empese ya mamre ne amane e bayira se de da bia me kan se wira fru krom hina ben a wira wadwaba ase no ai o mu boa ma ya mamre ne amane akoso na ye di achirechiri ma ye ba no ya nyira wadwaba ase.
The king. Now the king is seated. The Otumfuo Asante, man of man, he is seated. As you can see, all this you see on his shoulders are purely gold. Purely gold. What a money. They are floating for the king. They are floating and praising the king. They are floating. See this man with this giving the king the float here. See this man, the young guy is dancing, and not just dancing, it is giving a message. It is a sign language. It is a sign language that he's giving. He said, there is no king here on earth that is powerful than you. You are the king of kings, president of the Republic of Ghana, the great gentle, the now the Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Like you, the king of kings, power of power. Yes, who again? If you are said, it is done. Yes, king of kings. You see, these are the chiefs and the elders dancing, phantom from. The name of this dance is phantom from, dancing phantom from. Yes, beautiful one. And then this young guy, whole of Africa, he's the one that very good in phantom from dancing. You know, this dance is not easy to know how to dance it. Like, I don't know how to put this one. It's very difficult. And this one too is the king. As he is greeting his elders, as the king is greeting his chiefs, and they are also welcoming him. Beautiful one. They are singing, praising him. Yes. You know, let me take you details on the kind of song they are singing. I will pause for you to listen to the song. But what they are saying is, there is no one here on this earth that can say for us to listen. It is you, the only king. You, a king of kings. You that when you said it is done, when you said it is final, we don't listen to anybody. It's only you. We can say you would ever listen, but it's not you, the king. You, our majesty. You, the Otumfuo, the Asante the second. It's you that is said that it is done. It's you that you said no one can have any decision about it. King of king, king of king, king of king. That is what they are saying. There is no one, not even the republic. No one can say anything for you to listen except you, Otumfuo Asante. And he is also responding to their singing, greeting them. Very beautiful one. Wow, as you can see, this beautiful young girl is dancing. Adua, welcoming the king, and the king is greeting her, blessing her. The king is blessing this very beautiful young girl. As from this moment, you'll be seeing the king also greeting the priest. He is going close to greet the priest of the kingdom of Ashanti. You know, it is believed that it is the gods that is protecting the Ashanti kingdom. So at this part, she's greeting the priest who have been praying, who have been guiding the Ashanti kingdom with the gods. As you can see, greeting the priest. Very beautiful culture. And I know this woman is a priest. And as you can see, they are all greeting. Yes, they are all greeting. Doing this is not just they are doing it, it have a lot of things to do represent. Natural power, supernatural power. Yes, 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 yes. Don't just think he's just performing. He do represent something. It actually carries a message. We will not understand what except the king himself and he that is performing that will understand. It is a sign language. As you can see, each of them have a way of representing his greetings to the king. You never see them doing the same thing. Everyone have a way of doing his or her own to the king. As you can see, the king has greeted them and now he's going. Beautiful, traditional, beautiful culture, and is very educational to everyone. And I say subscribe to the channel, dial the notification button, and your message